everyone, welcome to CoinSutra. My name is Digant Chadha and today I would discuss the simplest way to deposit and withdraw funds on Binance, that is Binance P2P. Before we move on, I would suggest you subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Binance P2P is simply a peer-to-peer marketplace where buyers and sellers directly exchange their crypto assets for fiat currencies. Here, Binance acts as an intermediary only to improve the security of P2P process. So let's have a look. Once you log into your Binance account, you can reach P2P market either from trade and clicking on P2P or directly from buy crypto and P2P trading. Now there are two methods by which you can purchase crypto assets through P2P. Either through P2P option or an express option. On P2P option, you will get various sellers amongst which you can choose one which suits you, or else you can simply click on express and Binance will do this job for you, right? Further, you can see that as of now, Binance supports 6 cryptocurrencies that can be purchased: USDT, BTC, BUSD, BNB, ETH and DAI. So let's click on express. Now I can buy USDT worth 100 INR, 100 rupees. So 100 rupees is already entered and I'm getting 1.29 USDT in exchange for that. So let's click buy with zero fee. Now Binance is showing me various options, payment options, which I can use. Either I can use IMPS, UPI or bank transfer. You can see that IMPS and UPI value is 77.46 and in case of bank transfer it's 77.55. So it must be a different seller who's willing to sell USDT. So I'll click on UPI and I'll click on confirm purchase. So my order is successfully placed. Now Binance will show me the seller details. Now the name of the seller is mentioned and his UPI address is already also mentioned. So I need to make a payment to this UPI address. And I have approximately 15 minutes to do that. So let me transfer 100 rupees to this seller. So I have made this guy UPI payment. Now I have to confirm on Binance that I have made the payment. So please make payment within 15 minutes, otherwise order will be cancelled. So I'm just confirming that the payment has been transferred to this guy. So it's giving me a warning in case I have not actually made the payment. Binance will penalize me for that. So let's confirm that we have made the payment. Now seller has 15 minutes to confirm that he has received the payment and now he will release USDT in exchange for that. So I've got the confirmation. Order complete. I have received 1.29 USDT. Now I have to check my P2P wallet whether I've received this USDT or not. I'll go on P2P. Here you can see that I have received USDT. So if you want to buy cryptocurrencies from this USDT, you can simply transfer this amount to your spot wallet and then go to your market and place your normal trades as you do. Right? So this is how you purchase cryptocurrencies from Binance P2P. Now I'll try to sell USDT on Binance P2P. So as of now, I was the buyer. Now I'll be the seller. So let's try that. Before selling my USDT on P2P market, I'll first had to add payment method to my dashboard. So let's go on dashboard, click on payment, and then you can add your payments method from these options. So I have already added it. So let's go to P2P market. Now here, when you're trying to sell USDT, express method needs minimum 20 USDT to be sold. So as of now, I don't have it. So you can see insufficient balance. So it needs at least 20 USDT for express method. So I'll use the normal P2P option. Click on sell, add 100 rupees, payment method UPI. So let's use the first option. So I want to receive 100 rupees. For that, I'll have to sell 1.32 USDT. Now my payment method is already mentioned. Let's press sell USDT. My order has been placed. Now the buyer will make this payment. Once I'll receive this payment, I'll confirm here and USDT will be released to that buyer's account. So let's wait and see. So now Binance says that payment has been made. So I'll check first in my bank account whether I've received the payment or not. And I have 15 minutes for that. So let's find out. So I have received the payment. So let's confirm the release. I confirm that payment is successfully received. So it needs my authentication code. Voila. So now I've successfully sold USDT worth 100 rupees. If you like this video, then hit the like button. For more details on Binance P2P, refer to our article in description. Want to level up your crypto game? Then subscribe to this channel and follow CoinSutra newsletter. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.